In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to M-PESA. Step 1. Log into Wise. Open a Wise app or website and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Start a new transfer. Click Send Money from the dashboard. Step 3. Add recipient, M-PESA. Choose Kenyan shilling, select mobile money, pick M-PESA and enter the recipient's name and phone, starting with 254. Step 4. Enter amount and purpose. Input the transfer amount and choose a reason for sending if prompted. Step 5. Review and confirm. Check all recipient and payment details, then confirm the transfer. Step 6. The funds will be delivered to M-PESA. Wise will credit the receiver's M-PESA wallet, usually within a few minutes. Now I have some tips for M-PESA transfers. Max 150,000 cash per transaction and 300,000 cash per day. Double check the recipient's phone and name for correct transfers and only send to active M-PESA accounts. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.